Cocktail Happy Hour clip art is trending on Etsy. If we check out the stats, this set has made almost $4,500 in the last 12 months. This one has made almost $6,700 in the last year. And if we check out the launch date, this particular set was launched less than a month ago, and they've already made $364. People use this clip art for bridal shower invites, cocktail parties, birthday parties, bachelorette parties, engagement parties, and even holiday parties. In this video, I'll walk you through how I created an entire bundle just like this, and I also created some test invitations using Canvas templates just to showcase the end result for my customer. Let's jump in. So if you're not even sure where to start in terms of creating clip art, the first step you usually do is always create the AI prompts. So I personally always struggle with creating AI prompts, especially for a full bundle set. So I created a custom GPT called Willow, and she includes a set of questions. So let's say you want to create holiday prompts, seasonal prompts, trend-based prompts, even everyday life prompts for digital stickers. You could click on one of these buttons and she'll start asking you questions. But let's say you want to create a trending set like this. So I'm going to type into Willow. I want to make a bundle for drinks and cocktails. So pick the closest Willow choices to generate an overview, because Willow's going to ask you a set of questions, but we want her to do all of the thinking. So I'm going to add that prompt. So she's actually going to automatically select one of the categories built in, as well as the subjects and the best overall aesthetic, which is soft glam, which matches the trends on Etsy. And then she's going to come up with this great theme name called Sip and Sparkle. So this is something that we could easily add to our Etsy mockup listing right here. And then she's going to lock in a color palette based off of cocktails, as well as give you some examples of best uses. So the next question is, do we want to generate just a few prompts? Do we want to generate all 50 prompts for an entire clip art set, or do we need to make any changes? I like to generate a few prompts just to test it out. So I'm going to add one. So while Willow generates her design, you could either jump into Artistly or Kiddle or Midjourney. It's up to you. I like to use Artistly, which is an AI creator. There's no monthly subscription. It's just a one-time fee. And I create a few sets a day using this app. So I'm going to select Create Design and then Fast AI Image Designer. And then under AI Design Agents, we're going to select Clip Art. So I'm going to paste the first 5 prompts in here. And then under Select Quantity, I'm going to select 5 and keep the dimensions 1:1 and then click Generate Clip Art. Okay, so she's generated the first 5 and it's these over here. And I'm really loving the way they came out. I think this is really beautiful and definitely something that could be on invitations or even cocktail party invites. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the remaining 45. So I'm going to go back to AI Design Agents, Clip Art, and I'm going to select 10 images this time because I want to paste them in groups of 10. So that way I could produce a clip art super quick. So I'm really loving the way this clip art is turning out. If you want to remove the backgrounds and upscale them, what I typically do is go to AI Bulk Actions and then create new action, then choose from library. So I'll just go ahead and choose the ones that I want to upscale, and you could choose up to 25 per set. Then click on Add Step, and we're going to select Remove Background. Click Add Step again, Upscale Image, and where it says Upscale Image down here at Step 2, we're going to click Only Upscale, and then Convert to 300 DPI. Then we're going to click Build Action, and I usually just put any old thing here because you don't really have to reference this. So now that the backgrounds have been removed and the image is upscaled, we're going to click Bulk Download, and then I'm just going to select each row. And then when you're done selecting the row, you just click Download Selected right here, and it will download a zip file for you on your computer. So I include these templates in my clip art prompt machine, which also includes the Willow GPT. Then you'll just upload your images directly to Canva and add them to the actual mockup right here. So this is how I create all of my clip art. I also created a few templates for my mockup images, just to showcase to the customer how they could actually use the clip art. So I'll usually just look up invitations in Canva, like for instance this one, and I'll just delete the graphics that it came with and then add my own clip art right here. So this way we could highlight our graphics and showcase to the customer how they could actually use these. If you're interested in these templates and the Willow GPT, check out the link in the description. You could grab my clip art prompt machine. And not only can you use this clip art for clip art collections, you could also use them on planners, invitations, stickers, and printables. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe.